All right, so I've removed my functions here so I can show you how to do a sum. So to ask you to do the sum in B8, and I ask you to create the sum based upon B5, B6, and B7. So I'm going to double click in this cell in B8. There's lots of different ways I can do this. I'm going to show you how to do it just by building it yourself. So I use the equal sign, and then I start typing sum because that's my function. And I'm going to put my parenthesis. And then it's asking me here, Excel's giving you a tip, and it's saying, well, what do you want to sum? And I'm just going to go out and select the cells that I'm going to use. And as you can see, Excel starts building it for me. So it's saying sum, and then it gives the range B5 to B7. I could also have just typed that in, but I decided to select it. Once I have that selected, I can hit my enter key. And when I select the cell again, so if I select B8, you can see up in the formula bar, I can see what's going on. I can see that I'm creating the sum of B5 to B7. And then I believe that your instructions ask you then to copy this over to these other cells to C8, D8, and E8. And so I'm going to use the fill handle, and to do that I'm going to hover over this bottom right corner, hold down with my mouse, and then just drag that across so that it fills the other cells. And again, I'm going to check my work. So I'm going to select in C8 and make sure that it's looking for and it's giving the sum of C5, C6, and C7. So that's one way that you can do and create a function in Excel. I hope this helps.